Presenting a pre-owned 2004 Ford Mustang Deluxe convertible. This two-door convertible has a 6-cylinder, 3.9-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 95,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free CARFAX vehicle history report. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.